We have dinosaur remote control cars.
Let's open it.
You guys want to open it? Wait, before you open, can you show me what's the box? Let's see what's on the box. Ooh, that's pretty cool.
And there's a red one. Blue and a red one. Oh, I see something.
Are you surprised?
Look, I see something.
Okay.
A big monster truck.
Wait.
Mama,
If you want us to open the monster truck and show off the cars, please click like and subscribe.
subscribe. Hey, look at all this outside.
Look at these two monster trucks. They light up. And one is, what color?
Blue.
Blue?
And blue.
Oh, that's the lights. What color is the dinosaur?
Green.
And what kind of dinosaur do you think this is?
Triceratops. No, wait. He has 3 horns.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, not 2 horns. I have 2 horns. I'm gonna have 1 horn.
Yours only have 1 horn? How about the 2 silver things? Are those horns?
Yeah. No, wait. And mine. Oh,
Yeah, let's see the box. This is RC track off-road, and this one is, oh, it looks like it has a spray option. It's a new bright color, and it rolls 360 degrees, roll and slide, and light and spray. And there we go. You guys can change. I think Marshall's car is Small and Mighty, and then Rebel. Rebel, where is your monster truck? Is this the monster truck or dino truck? Let's see what these dino trucks can do. Can you do some tricks? Did you guys switch remotes? Maybe they're on the same frequency.
No, they're not. Look, they're not. Look. No. I'm gonna put you in a box.
I think they're on the same frequency. We switched remotes because it looks like the frequency changed on the 2 vehicles. This one's very cool. It does spin. It does a 360 donut. And that one does too. Look at that. And he has lights. Marshall, can you keep doing 360 donuts? Let's see again. And look, Rebel is doing 360 donuts too. What do you guys think? What do the Mighty Twin thinks? Whoa, you did it! Rebel, you want to try? Here it comes. So, Marcia, what did you say? Are these good monster trucks?
Yeah.
Marcia, do you want to see what you can do with the other monster truck?
Yeah, it's on.
Because, yeah, you push the box. The monster truck pushed the box down? Let's see. Can you land on that box? Dawson, is your monster truck alive?
Yeah.
Go, Rebel! Go, Marshall! The monster truck can do other things. Let's see, I think it sprays. Hey everybody, if you want to see the monster truck spray, please click like and subscribe.
And this one sprays?
Yeah, I think so too. Hopefully we get some likes. Keep clicking likes so we can make the monster truck spray. This monster truck makes sound. Okay, do you guys want to start driving and make it spray? Oh, there, look. It's spraying.
Let's stay on the ground.
Okay, let's see your spray. Maybe we'll have to let that warm up yet. You got it as a spray? Let's see if it's sprayed. Whoa, it's spraying. Whoa, that one is too. Okay, let's see you drive. That's so cool. That is so cool. Yeah. You have to hit the middle button. There we go, it's spraying. That is so cool. Wow, that is loud. Do you want to make it drive forward? I think the other remote's right here. Did you find it? Where did Rebel put it?
No. Where did you put it? Oh, he did. I put it right here.
Well, that was quick. I think we need to put more water in it. Look, it's spraying. Whoa, look at all the mist coming out of the... Hey, Rebel, you can use the remote control. Whoa. There you go, stay there so I can see it. When you get too close, I cannot see. Whoa. Whoa. That's super cool remote control cars. Look at these dino cars go. Look at the donut and look at it's spraying. Yeah, I think we have to put more water in it. It doesn't hold much water. That is pretty cool. Look at it spin. It's like it's dancing. Whoa, look at the spray. Whoa. These are very cool monster truck, and the Mighty Twins are loving their new RC Dino vehicle. The Mighty Twins. What is your favorite part of these monster trucks? Donuts and the spray?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Whoa, it's still standing up. It landed. His tires are squishy? You wanted to spray again? I think we have to put more water. Whoa, look at it go! Whoa! Whoa! So fast! Are you spraying your toe? That's not for that. Let's see it drive. Whoa.
No, not that one.
Whoa. Yeah, these RC remote control dino cars are amazing. They have bright lights, they roar, they spray. And one of the great things is that it also has rechargeable batteries. That's amazing. Rebel, we cannot put things in there. That's where Aqua goes.
Never mind.
Thank you for joining our adventure. We'll see you next time.